Alright, so jumping straight into the first side hustle that I'm going to talk about in today's video, which is dropshipping. Now, I'm sure that most of you already know exactly how dropshipping works, but for any of you out there that don't know, it's a very simple business model. All you're going to do is make a product available for a customer to buy, so you can either put it on your own website using something like Shopify, or you can list it on a marketplace such as eBay. From there, when the customer buys it from you, you're going to collect the money from that customer, take that money, go over to your supplier's website, buy the item from them. They're now going to ship it directly to your customer, so you're never ever going to have to see the product or ever handle the product in any way, shape or form. But when it comes to the actual practical steps that you need to take when it comes to finding the best product to dropship, there's so many different ways that you can do it, but I'm going to show you what I've been doing recently by using this software called AutoDS. Now, AutoDS is mainly used when it comes to automating your entire dropshipping business. Whether you want to use it when it comes to easily listing products from your supplier's website with a few clicks of a button, or if you want to use it when it comes to automatically fulfilling all of the orders that you're getting on a daily basis, so that you don't have to sit there and copy and paste all of your buyer's information one at a time. You're going to be able to set up automations so that whenever a new order comes in, it's going to automatically get shipped out. But you can also use it when it comes to finding a winning product to dropship using their new feature called Marketplace, because on this page they're going to be able to show you all of these different products that various different dropshippers all around the world are having success with. So depending on what category you want to focus on, you're going to be able to select it right here. So in this case, I've selected electronics and gadgets, and just scrolling down slightly, I can see this item over here, which is a car polishing machine by the looks of it. So if I just click into it, this is basically what the product looks like. They're going to be able to give me all of the images. They're also going to be able to give me the specification from the supplier's website, and if I did want to import it directly into my store, I'm going to be able to select this option over here. However, if I wanted to see all of the other options when it comes to the car polishing machines that are available on AliExpress at the moment, I'm going to be able to simply go onto AliExpress, type in car polishing, and see all of the different options that are here for me to start dropshipping. So as we can see, the first one right here currently has a 15-day delivery, which is really good. So if I just click into this one, this is what this product basically looks like, and I can also see that it's got really good reviews, and I'm going to be able to buy it for around $19. But let's say if I was considering to dropship this product on one of my eBay stores, what I need to do first is to make sure that customers are actually buying it, and the way that I'm going to be able to do that is by looking at the data on eBay's product research tool, which is called TerraPeak. And the way that you're going to be able to find that is by clicking on research and then clicking on TerraPeak product research, and it's completely free to use if you've got an eBay selling account. And I've already typed in car polishing machine right there, and I've set it to the last 2 years, and straight away we can see that over £2 million has been spent on this particular keyword in the last 2 years, which obviously shows that a lot of money is circulating with this particular product. And if you're able to replicate this entire process over and over again and find winning products that people are buying on a consistent basis and list those products on your store, you're going to be in a position to make $100 a day, $500 a day, maybe even $1,000 every single day. And as you can see from just one of my eBay stores, I've currently got over 2,482 active listings. A majority of these listings are all winning products that people are buying every single day, which allows me to be able to make money every single day. Alright, so swiftly moving on to the second side hustle that I'm doing right now as we speak, that allows me to bring in a decent amount of income on a monthly basis, which is by importing stock in bulk from China. And the way that this online business model works is very similar to dropshipping, but instead of your supplier fulfilling the orders directly to your customers on your behalf, you're going to buy the products in bulk from your supplier. They're going to ship it directly to you, and it's now going to be your responsibility to pick, pack, and ship out all of the orders that you're getting on a daily basis. And you're probably thinking to yourself right now, but Sam, why do you import products in bulk if you're already dropshipping? And the answer to that is very simple. I like to do dropshipping as a way for me to find winning products. But as soon as I found a product that I'm dropshipping that is now selling on a consistent basis, at that point it only makes sense for me to buy the products in bulk. And this is for so many different reasons. Number one, I'm going to be able to offer my customers quicker delivery. Number two, I'm going to be able to personalize every single package that I'm sending out. And number three, I'm going to be able to make a lot more profit, because when it comes to buying products in bulk, I'm going to be able to reduce the amount that I'm paying for the product cost. So for example, sticking with the same example for this car polishing machine right here, as you guys already know, it's available on AliExpress for $19 every single time that I want to buy it from them. However, if we go over to Alibaba.com, which is a website that I tend to use when it comes to finding suppliers in China. As you guys can see, I've already typed in car polishing machine over here, and if we scroll down slightly, I'm sure that we're going to be able to find the exact same one. Yep, right here is the exact same one that is currently available on AliExpress. However, as you guys can see, we're going to be able to buy it for around $12.40, which means that we're going to be able to save around $7, maybe $8 per every single item. And imagine if you're selling, let's say 100 of them every single month, automatically you're going to be able to save around $700 in profit for the fact that you bought the products in bulk. Okay, so moving on to the third side hustle that I'm going to discuss in this video that I would recommend any beginner to look into, and it's a side hustle that I'm personally doing myself, which is by starting your own blog website. And for those of you that don't know exactly what a blog website is, it's simply a website that you're going to start with the intention of posting articles on it on a consistent basis, and within those articles you're going to put various different monetization strategies so that you're going to be able to make passive income. The more articles you have on the website, the more money you're going to be able to potentially make. And when it comes to the monetization strategies that you can have with your blog website, these are the four main ones, which is affiliate marketing, selling your own products and services, sponsored posts, and AdSense. Most people believe that blogging is dead and that there's no real potential when it comes to making money with one, when that couldn't be far from the truth. Because I've been building blogs for the past few years and making money with them, and I'm still building brand new blog websites even till now. Like, as you can see, here's one of my newest blog websites that I started last year in November that can be found at successwithbusiness.com, and I've been very consistent when it comes to posting articles on this website every single week. And I know right now most of you are probably thinking, but Sam, isn't it going to be difficult for me to get my website ranked on Google, and it's also going to be difficult for me to start getting traffic to my blog website? Well, the answer to that is no, because if we take a look at this website over here and type in my site, which is successwithbusiness.com, and click on search, if we just scroll down slightly, as you can see, I started my website in November. I didn't get any traffic. In December, I only got around 726 views. However, in January, I was able to get almost 10,000 views, and the reason for that is because I started getting a couple of my different articles ranked on Google. So for example, if we just go into Google and type in Shopify dropshipping using Google Shopping Ads and click on search, scrolling down slightly, as you guys can clearly see, an article that I wrote a couple months ago is on the first page of Google with this brand new blog website. So I'm sure of this one example, you can clearly see that it's not going to be difficult when it comes to you being on the path of making $100, $200, maybe $300 every single day with a brand new blog website. Which now brings me on to the fourth side hustle that I'm going to end this video on, which is content creation. Now, this is very similar to starting your own blog website, but instead you're going to make videos and publish them on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. And the main goal when it comes to starting a content creation business is that you're going to be able to build an organic relationship with the people that come across your content. And from there, you're going to have various different ways that you're going to be able to monetize that in a way that's going to be able to help your audience, as well as help you generate revenue that you can now reinvest back into your content creation business so that you can grow it even more. And you don't even need to show your face on camera like what I'm doing right now. You can do so if you want, but if you didn't want to, you're going to be able to set up something called a faceless YouTube channel, where you're going to use various different AI tools to help you create the video to the point where you don't even need to use your own voice. And because you're using AI technology to make these videos, you're going to be able to make endless amounts of videos, which means that you're going to be able to publish more, which obviously means that you're going to be in a position to make even more money. And of course, there's a lot more that goes into this entire process, and I'm currently working on a video right now where I show you step by step exactly how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel. So if you want to see me release that video ASAP, then put in the comments down below, drop the faceless YouTube video, and I'll do that ASAP. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification. And if you want to sign up to a completely free webinar where I go through my story as to how I was able to make my first $1,000 in profit every day with a dropshipping business, then you can watch that free webinar by clicking the first link in the description down below. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made where I go into a little bit more details as to what you need to know when it comes to finding a winning dropshipping e-commerce product to sell, then click the link right there. Check that video out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.